Linking your bank account to Zelle is a straightforward process that allows you to send and receive money easily. Follow these steps to get started. Step 1. Download the Zelle app. If you don't already have the Zelle app, download it from the App Store or Google Play Store. Install the app on your smartphone to begin the setup process. Step 2. Create an account. Open the Zelle app and follow the prompts to create an account. You will need to provide your email address or mobile number, which will be used for sending and receiving money. Step 3. Select your bank. Once your account is created, you will be prompted to select your bank or credit union from the list provided. If your bank is not listed, you may need to use the Zelle app directly instead of through your bank's app. Step 4. Link your bank account. Follow the instructions to link your bank account. This usually involves entering your bank account details such as your account number and routing number. You may also need to verify your identity through a code sent to your phone or email. Step 5. Confirm and start using Zelle. After linking your bank account, confirm that the connection is successful. You can now start using Zelle to send and receive money instantly with friends and family. Now that you know how to link your bank account to Zelle, you can enjoy the convenience of quick money transfers.